Hi everyone, this is Courtney with Texas Teacher Today. Today I thought I'd go over a couple of sample math questions with you. For the course subjects EC through 6. So these are from a free quiz I have available on my website. And so let's look at a couple of these questions. Miss Smith teaches third grade. Many of our students are struggling with decimals. What would be the best hands-on approach to help her students learn about decimals in a meaningful way? So the first thing we do is we want to narrow it down to the answer choices that are most on topic. They have to relate to the question, right? Sometimes they'll put in one that sounds really good, but if it's a little bit off topic, it can't be right. Then if they're both, we have two options that are on topic, then we look for the one that's most thorough. And then if we still have two that are thorough, then we pick the most learner-centered one, the one most focused on the students. So let's look at A, showing them a video and giving them a worksheet that explains decimals. That's on topic, but the answer is probably not going to be worksheets. So that's probably not it. B, breaking the class into small groups that each receive a board with 100 squares and 100 counters or manipulatives. She will show the class a few examples demonstrating that 3 counters on the board is the equivalent of 300s or 3 out of 100. Then students will come up with their own decimals using the board and manipulatives. See how this is more student-centered, right? And it's thorough, it's on topic. That's the most important thing we're looking for. It's on topic, but it's more learner-centered. Teaching them a song about decimals and having a guest speaker that talks about how he uses decimals in math in the workplace. This is not as hands-on. It is on topic and it addresses the question, right? But it's not as hands-on. D, using the smartboard to demonstrate what decimals are, what they're used for, and having advanced students do some sample problems on the smartboard. The rest of the class will take notes from the desk, and later the class will take a quiz so she'll be able to evaluate their progress and determine if they mastered the concept. So see how this is, first we looked, okay, they're actually all on topic, and this one is also pretty thorough, right? It has lots of different things that they're doing, but it's not as hands-on. This is the most hands-on, student-centered. Mrs. Garcia teaches 6th grade mathematics. At the end of a unit on probability, she gives the students a test over how to use stem and leaf plots, scatter plots, and histograms. The test will count for 20% of their 6 weeks grade. Mrs. Garcia is using an, or a formal formative assessment, okay? So it is formal, it's for a grade, but formative is used while you're still teaching a unit. And this says it's at the end of a unit, so A is not right. An informal formative assessment. We already said it's not formative and it's not informal either, so that's not right. Formal summative assessment, yes. It's formal, it's for a grade, right? It's going to make students a little bit nervous, and it's summative given at the end of a unit. But let's look at all options. Informal summative, so that's not right. So if you need help passing the course subjects, give me a call at 361-846-0741 or go to coursesubjects.net. I'd be happy to help you pass your course subjects. Thanks.